Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have beautiful new paper packs for you, so let's get started. So today I have 3 paper packs for you. There is first of all the Sweet Treats, and look how beautiful those colors are. We're going to go through this pack so you know what's in there. These all packs have all papers and die cuts. And each of the pack has 36 papers. There are in 6 designs. So 6 times 6, 6 times these designs. And then there are 32 die cut toppers in 8 designs. Now the size is 8 by 8 and the papers are 160 GSM and the card toppers are 300 GSM. So this is by the Paper Boutique. This is a British company, and I have the Sweet Treats for you today, so springy. Then I have the Spring Whispers, and I have shared this with you earlier this spring, but I used it again for my cards today. And then I also have the Summer Sunshine, and all of them come with the same ingredients, so the papers and the toppers. So first, let's look at the card, and then I'm going to do a quick flip through the Sweet Treats. So let's start with this card here. And this is a side folding card. I used as my background paper this beautiful paper with the birds in the nest. Then I added one of my doilies that I have recently introduced to you, and I still have a couple in my store. These are square doilies, but with this beautiful die cut edge. And then I have one of the die cut toppers. Happy Days is also from the same pack. And then one butterfly. And doesn't it make a beautiful card? So just layered the different embellishments. And I also did a little bit of stickles here on some of these dots. So just to give it a little bit of glitter. Now let's take a look at this beautiful paper pack. All right, so there are again 6 papers, and this is the one that I have used, so don't worry if this is coming apart, because I have already crafted with it. But here is this paper with this beautiful ribbon bow, and the colors are in blues and purples and pinks. Very, very pretty. The next one here has the lavender, so pretty, with a lavender background, a deeper lilac color for the lavender, and then the green stems. Next is this cluster of gorgeous flowers on a polka dot background. So beautiful. Then you have white polka dots on a pink background. And last but not least, you have the oh no, there's 2 more. So you have these beautiful feathers, also in purples and blues and pinks. And then of course here is this absolutely gorgeous sheet of those little birdies in their nest. So you have these in here, like I said, several times. And then in the back, when you're done with the papers, we have the die cut pieces. So there is this piece here, and this has 5 circle die cuts. One has best wishes there, and then of course you have the same embellishments coming off the beautiful background paper and into a topper. So you have this in here 4 times, and then you also have these, and those are square ones. Beautiful heart, and then also some greetings here, happy days. That's the one I used on my card, and but there's also warm wishes with lots of love, and you will see them coming. So this is this beautiful, beautiful die cut pack. It's called the Sweet Tweets, brand new to my shop. And let's check what other cards I made with it. Okay, so here I have a card that is 5.5 by 5.5 as a white card blank. And I have used one of these beautiful background papers with the flower clusters. Then I just very, very simple. I used a piece of mirror cardstock in silver and then one of the die cuts, the beautiful heart on the background with the polka dots. Here is the with lots of love, of course, a greeting from the pack. I outlined it with my paint marker, so just it comes off the page a little bit, and here it is. And then a little bit of stickles and a little bit of bling, and that's all it is. So these are really simple, quick cards, but they look gorgeous, I think, and that makes it, of course, what makes it is this beautiful artwork. Again, I have, so these are the two that we have just checked. And if you like to see a close-up, it will be coming at the end. Now, here is my next card. And what I have done here is, first of all, I used scraps, as you can see. Now, this is a scalloped card from Michaels. Just a white A2 card blank, but it has this beautiful scalloped edge. Then I used a piece. This is all I had left from the 5.5 by 5.5, 5.5 by 5.5. So see, I had this strip left, but it didn't fill up my card. So what I have done is I just looked through my scraps, picked some papers that would work, and then cut banners and added these banners in different widths and lengths to my card. And then added a doily. And here, out of one of the die cut pieces, I didn't use the entire die cut piece, but I fuzzy cut out the birdies. And then what I did is I added some foam pads to just make it dimensional. So because you have so many, now remember, let's see what it says here. We have the die cuts, 32 die cut toppers. So you have each die cut topper 8 times. So therefore, it's easy to just use one and cut it out. And I actually cut out another little cluster of flowers and added it here. And now I made my beautiful topper. And then just for you, of course, is from the paper pack as well. But I love this artwork and I like the colors. They're so, so beautiful. And I think this would make just a gorgeous Mother's Day card. But there's more. Okay, on this card here, I have a top folding card. And I used glitter cardstock for the back. And then again, you see this beautiful paper with the nests of the birdies. I cut myself a panel with this scalloped die, and it makes it look very lacy, I want to say. Then I used one of my doilies, and the topper here is a brand new Easy 3D topper, and I will make a video next week where I'm gonna introduce, I think, 6 new topper packs to you. But this one comes from the Flower Mail, and it has all these beautiful letters, and the flowers just come out of them. We had something similar at Christmas time, and now the company made those into a spring embellishment as well. So stay tuned for more cards coming with new packs. There's going to be so many new toppers. You're just going to love it. But I used this one here with the beautiful daisy, and look how gorgeous it is. Now, Sending Hugs is a stamp that I have, and I thought it was just perfect coming out of this envelope. Sending Hugs, so cute. But these papers are very versatile and will go beautifully with our embellishments. And actually next week, when I introduce you to the new die cut toppers, you will see how I use these papers even more. So, and then I have another one from a different paper pack, another couple of cards. Okay, and here I used a paper from the Spring Whispers. Now, this paper pack, like I said, I have a flip through in an earlier video, and I can link that below. And here is the paper that I have used. And look how gorgeous this one is. So springy. Yeah, they have this really, really gorgeous paper in this paper pack. But I already, like I said, I already did a flip through. And here is the card that I have created. Same thing, I have just a regular A2 card blank. And then edit what I had on my craft table. So I cut out of another piece of scrap a little tag that you can barely see, but it's just a layering element. I had a little bit of this mirror cardstock left, so I also added a strip here. My doily, of course. Then one of these beautiful die cut toppers. And then I had this reef embellishment in my stash that I just cut in half and put it on both borders. But you know, you can use other stickers that you may have if you want to give it extra dimension. And then here's this beautiful butterfly. And of course the butterfly comes from the butterfly packs that I have showed you last week. I have these 2 packs in pastel colors and in regular colors. There are holographic, and it's got these beautiful butterfly stickers in there, 5 sticker sheets, so great value. And here is one that I have added to a piece of vellum, fuzzy cut it out, and now it has a little bit more sturdiness to it. So you can see, let's see, it actually can, yeah, you can see the wings come loose a little bit. Yeah, so there is this card. And then last but not least, I made one more card. Okay, and here is my last card for today. And with this card, I used papers from the Summer Sunshine paper kit, paper and die cut kit. And for this background, I have this beautiful, and look at this, is so gorgeous too. This beautiful paper with this basket full of roses. And what I did here is I just cut it with my scallop die to make a panel. I like the green in here, and I needed a little bit more green, so therefore I just added a piece of glitter cardstock, just a small one, and strip there to show the green and give that a little bit more color. But in this paper pack, you have really have, again, very gorgeous papers. Look at these beautiful roses, the bird in the reef, and a bicycle with a basket full of flowers, and also butterflies. And there are, again, also die cut pieces. But this is the Summer Sunshine, and here is my card. Again, I cut out one butterfly. I have these pearls here to give it a little bit more interest. And then, of course, the doily. And my panel here, I outlined again with my gold paint marker. I find those very handy when you have just a white topper and you just want to give it a little bit of an edge. And you, of course, you can use ink if you have ink pads, but this is even shiny because it is a gold paint. And here's the Sending All My Love is again the Anna Griffin stamp and die cut set that I had splurged upon. This is all I have for you today. I think these make beautiful Mother's Day cards or any spring birthday, for example. I thought the artwork is so gorgeous. Now, if you like my cards, this set will be up for grabs on a very discounted price. I would appreciate the support, and stay tuned for more beautiful spring cards next week, where I will share the new Easy 3D toppers that came to shop. So gorgeous. But again, this is all I have for you today. If you liked my video, I appreciate a thumbs up, a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, it'd be great if you could subscribe. Thank you so much. Please stay or get well, and happy spring crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.